I'm Steve Longi, and I've been a producer and executive in the entertainment industry for the last 20 years. I produced 14 films and developed numerous movie and TV projects. My last film, Hacksaw Ridge, starring Andrew Garfield, directed by Mel Gibson, was nominated for 6 Academy Awards, ultimately winning 2. It's a film that I'm very, very proud of. As a creative producer, I'm the one that finds the project, develops the script, attaches the talent, raises the financing, and ultimately produces the movie. I'm going to be doing a 2-hour masterclass for the Hollywood Film Academy on how you can raise money for your film. I'm going to be giving you all kinds of actionable advice and things that you can do to give your project the best chance at success. It's going to be a 2-hour live course where you can ask me questions at the end. So if you're a producer looking to raise money for your independent film, just click on the link below and I'll talk to you soon.